Snapchat just announced an amazing new feature, one that will completely change the way you take selfies. As if we needed another excuse to take selfies. I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know here for you on I.O. Welcome back to Inform Overload, I'm Charlotte Dobre. Everyone loves fun selfie lenses. I don't think there's a single person who hasn't had a good time trying out funny face filters. Okay, maybe there's a couple people, but that's not the point. Have you ever felt like it would be fun to make your own lenses? Well, Snapchat just announced its Lens Studio, which will allow users to create their own selfie lenses from scratch. You can integrate gift stickers in the lenses, you can use face paint, which is basically like giving yourself makeup so you always look on fleek. You can distort your face in pretty much any way you want, like a big nose, big eyes, big mouth. You can add 2D and 3D objects like the puppy ears that can react to your facial movements. And of course you can create a trigger, which is the thing where you raise your eyebrows and then the lens does something animated. This software is ideal for artists, software developers, influencers, creative people, and graphic designers. Not an artist or particularly good with computers? That's okay. If you see other artists and users making cool lenses that you want to try out yourself, all you gotta do is unlock them by taking a picture of the yellow code box with Snapchat. Snap is also opening up third-party lenses to the public with their community lens stories. Each story includes lenses submitted by the community. Snapchat also plans to support its creators and they will feature their work. So what do you gotta do to be able to try Lens Studio? Simply go to lensstudio.snapchat.com and click the download button in the top right hand corner. It seems like Snapchat is trying to get back in everybody's good books because they've also just launched another feature that's a video chat feature that will allow you to chat with up to 15 friends at once. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like it would get really noisy. I don't even think I have 15 friends. Alrighty guys, it's time to respond to some comments. Just some random person said, drop everything, I.O. just posted. Okay, yes, I agree with this, except do not drop everything and watch I.O. when you're driving. Or making out. Okay, maybe if the makeout sesh sucks. Nathaniel Grant said, best info channel there is. Stop it! Stop it! No, you. No, you! Aboudi said, I love you queen, I really want your Insta please. If you want to follow me on Instagram, my username is posted in the description of this video and all the videos. That's all folks, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, show us some love by leaving a like and subscribing to I.O. for all your news. Want to go on an I.O. binge? Well, there's a playlist right over there that you should check out. Click on it, you know you want to. Still here? Well, I should probably tell you about the fact that I.O. is on social media. Why don't you find out our links by scrolling down to the description of this video. That's it for me, and I'll see you next time.